The easiest way I keep my guests, my team, and myself safe by going to all these different properties is my little friend right here. He detects hidden cameras. The hidden cameras are getting so sneaky, guys. This one looks just like a little alarm clock. It's super sleek, it's cute. It could be anywhere in a hotel, in an Airbnb, but it's actually recording. There's usually a rechargeable battery, and there's literally a little SD card in there recording your every move in the bedroom. Other hidden devices are actually just plugged in straight to Wi-Fi. So they could just be recording you all the time on Wi-Fi, kind of like a Ring camera. Ring camera is obviously not a hidden device, but it's connected to Wi-Fi. It's recording at all hours of the time. There are so many hidden camera devices out there, but my all-time favorite is MrAntiSpy. It's so sleek. It's so easy to use. I just pop it in my purse when I'm walking around all these properties by myself all day. And not only is it so easy to use, but it detects Wi-Fi and frequencies like radios and bugs and all this other stuff that my privacy can basically get tapped into. But it's not just me and my cleaners who need this device. It could be any type of business traveler, a family that's traveling and staying in an Airbnb, and you have small children. It could be a single person traveling to a different country. Just to be safe out there, you never know who's watching. It's getting really sneaky out there, guys, so carrying this little device is perfect. It's recording everything internally on the SD card. So for this certain device, we're gonna want the frequency setting. As you can see, the device is detecting it, even though that alarm clock looks like it's off. So Ring cameras are usually on the Wi-Fi settings, and as you can see, it's going crazy. What's super interesting is that this will also detect your phone, because your phones are typically connected to Wi-Fi, and you have a camera, so when you are walking around a house or your hotel room, make sure your phone is somewhere else. The MrAntiSpy device is one of my favorites. Anybody's looking to protect their privacy can utilize this device. Links in bio, guys. Stay safe out there.